Back at the Minnesota Community Pride Day at the State Fair with In Commons. Hi, Soraya.
Hi, Jakob.
Tell us who you are, what organization you represent, why you're here.
Okay. Well, I'm Soraya. I just graduated from St. Olaf College. I'm in AmeriCorps Vista with the Link Center. I had an internship with the Link Center in January, coming up with resources. We're a community resource center. So whether you need to know about transportation options in Northfield, how to sign your kids up for sports, or how to apply for food support, we can help you out. So now I'm working with the Link Center for my AmeriCorps term of service, and also with the Healthy Community Initiative in Northfield.
That's great. And why is this so important for Northfield? I mean, did this not exist in Northfield before?
It didn't exist in Northfield before. There's a lot of services and a lot of resources for Northfield residents, but they're not necessarily, people don't necessarily know what they are, and people don't necessarily feel connected to the options that are out there to really to help them, especially for our low-income population, especially the Hispanic community in Northfield. It's hard to be connected to resources. So our staff is bilingual, and we specifically target newcomers to Northfield as well as the low-income population. And also the Spanish-speaking population in Northfield.
What's next for the organization? What might you conquer next?
Right. We've only been running since the spring, since April. So since we've started, we've added face-to-face partners. So Rice County Public Health, Southern Minnesota Regional Legal Services, the Hope Center, which helps victims of domestic violence. They all have office hours at the Link Center. So not only can people come to access our resources, but they can also speak with representatives from organizations who don't normally have a presence in Northfield, and that's something we've just started and hope to expand. So next on our list would be Torch, which is an organization that it stands for Tackling Obstacles and Reaching Our Goals. It's a college access program, and so they will hopefully have office hours with us, so families can learn how their kids can get some help going to college.
One of the criteria for the award that you've received is that your organization is moving beyond current economic challenges with creative and proactive community and economic development institutions. Reflect on those words a bit, if you could.
Okay.
Essentially, why you're honored, and why you successfully filled the criteria.
Sure. We're fulfilling a need that hadn't been. No one had tried to do this in Northfield before. So all of a sudden, we've become this one-stop shop for people to get all the information they could possibly want about living successfully in Northfield. And we're located in an area where lots of low-income residents come anyway. The community action centers in our building, the food shelves in our building. So we're kind of just there. People don't necessarily know we exist until they see us for the first time. So location-wise, it's great. In terms of being creative, it's a simple thing. We're fulfilling a simple need that no one, I guess, thought to fulfill before. One unusual way we're reaching out is through our newsletter, which is called Conexiones, and it's published in Spanish, and it goes to the Spanish-speaking population in Northfield. But it's all that information is published elsewhere in English by various organizations, but no one had bothered to publish it in Spanish before. So we're doing that, so all that information gets to the Spanish-speaking population.
That's wonderful. And I'm guessing that, like me, Northfield being a college town, many didn't know that there was also a disenfranchised low-income population
There's
that
lots
also
of people
needs.
who don't know.
Right. Well, listen, thanks for what you do. It's great stuff. Thanks for speaking with us.
Of course.
And congratulations on the award.
Thanks.